From raw material to refined art, two craftsmen at Charles Street and Orange Street in downtown Kingston are transforming simple materials into extraordinary creations. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of The Business Review. Sharing not just a first name, but also a passion for craftsmanship, Courtney Shields and Courtney Granston for over 40 years have been bonding through their metal fabrication business in downtown Kingston.
I make other stuff where make food warm, I make saving pan. I make all kind of stuff, man. I make all stuff where you know see like people carry them things on them phone and whatever and make it for them.
Both men in their early 20s started their metalwork business after an unexpected downturn in their previous jobs. Since that time, the men have stayed true to their origin.
Like the modern technology?
Yeah.
Well, you know, no modern one, you know. Just electricity. Yeah. We don't have nothing else to help you out for cutter or something. You have some little power tool, but them not cut. They like when we cut soft things, they're not cut accurate, so we do better we use one.
Now, these self-taught craftsmen pride themselves on the level of creativity they've maintained without any extra pair of hands.
No youth don't want to learn nothing, they just want to work money. One youth ever come in this shop, when we don't have bottom this up, come say want to learn the work. And he was doing something and he gone to England. And from that nobody else come, no want to learn nothing.
Through the support of suppliers and clients, they've managed to keep the business forging, but not without challenges.
Like people work cannot pay you.
That's like a 2% challenge sometimes with the material. Sometimes you go to the factory and them not have none and you have to wait.
Despite not having a formal system to crunch the numbers, Mr. Grandson says he knows he's making a profit.
I not even know about the percent, you know, because you see more time you can't even check it, so you know, because the one money you make, I do everything, you know. So, you know, so you put on something, you pay your rent, you pay your bill to take care of your kids.
This profit, he says, comes mostly from his all-year-round best seller.
Saving pan safer than bank, you know. Young one will say you put it back, nobody will see it, you know. Right? And nobody can hack your saving pan, you know. They hack your bank account, no.
Looking ahead, their short-term goal is quite simple.
I just trickle and go through, you know. And that's at my age, you know. But with a rich, maybe say a youth can come on and willing to learn it still.
And a long-term plan that man for use me until me can go no further.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.